Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're returning, welcome. If you're new, I'm Rachel. I am a full-time mama and a reseller on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. And today we're doing a 90-day update, which is more than 90 days by now because I'm a little overdue on this one. But this is the Prana Box that I ordered from Boutique by the Box. So if you want to see what sold and if I actually made a profit, make sure you stick around. So I was super excited about this box when it first dropped. I love Prana. I love wearing Prana. I love finding Prana at the thrift store. And so when Boutique by the Box offered this, I was very excited and I had to buy one. And I can link the original video down below. I ordered a 50 piece and I actually ordered another 100 pieces after I unboxed this one. I was so excited about it. So if you like reseller content, make sure you subscribe. I do have a little one. I'm a full-time mama and it's hard to get out thrifting. I usually am a thrifter, but lately I have been exclusively fueling my reseller inventory with unboxings from online liquidation and things like that so that I don't have to take her out thrifting because that's hard. And I always come back 90 days later to let you know what actually sold and if I would recommend the box or if I would buy another one based on the results of this one. So this was a 50-piece box, all new with tag Prana, and the box was $400. Mine actually had 52 pieces, bringing my cost of goods to $7.84 per piece. So a brand that I know and love for $7.84 per piece, knowing how much the stuff retails for, was very appealing to me. And of the 52 items, all 52 were listable. No flaws, no issues there. I've sold 23 and I have 28 remaining. So first I'm going to show you what has sold. I'll talk about what I still have left, and then at the end I will give you my verdict. There was a wide variety of stuff in here. There were some tank tops, some bralettes, some pants and shorts. It was a men's and women's mix all over the place. This was a scoop neck tank, and this one sold for $16 by offer on Poshmark. This one didn't, it was a tank top. It didn't retail for very high, so that's pretty much as expected. I had a bunch of these Brahmis. It was the style is called Lena. This one sold for $14 on Mercari. This was a size small, which I think I had a lot of. I had this terry dress, which I had a lot of these too. This one sold for $21 on Poshmark. Here's another Lena Brahmi. This one was black or gray, I guess. This was a $20 Poshmark sale, which I think that was my full asking price, so that was pretty cool. The Cohen shorts, which I had several pairs of these between the two boxes. These were a $25 Poshmark sale. And these took about 2 months to sell, but they're shorts. I got this box at the end of winter, so that is what it is. These Brian shorts, these are men's, size 42. $27 Poshmark sale. This dress got a lot of interest. It was called the Sunrise dress. This one was a $28 Poshmark sale. I had another pair of the Brian shorts in charcoal. These were a size 28. So I had a 28 and a 42, which I think are on the low and then the high end of the size that they offer. Here are the same shorts. Oh, that was a $19.99 eBay sale. And then I had another pair of Brian shorts in a size 30. These were the dark khaki color. That was a $20 eBay sale. I had these Rockland leggings in the whole 150 pieces. These were the only pair of Rockland leggings I got. They sold for $32 on Poshmark by offer. And then there's the Hallie pants. And there's a lot of Hallie pants on the rest of this list. I love the Hallie pant. I think I have the Hallie pant in several colors. I don't know how many colors it comes in, but I think I have 3 or 4 pair. And these by far did the best out of the box. It's funny how when you love something, you love a particular style or a particular item, that's what ends up doing well for you. And that's totally true here. So I had the Hallie pant. These are Most of what was in the box, I would consider odd sizes, talls, shorts. These were a size 10 short, $30 Poshmark sale. These are the Brian pant, size 30 by 36, so that's kind of an odd size. That's a really thin, tall dude. But that was a $29 Mercari sale. Here's another pair of Hallie pants, size 0 regular, $35 Poshmark sale, sold by offer. And a lot of this stuff, actually this box, I have to say, this box made me nervous because I listed this stuff in January. Like I said, I know I'm late on this. I listed this stuff in January and like nothing sold right away. And I was like, okay, that's fine because, you know, a lot of it is more like for hiking and camping and outdoorsy stuff. And, you know, it's like winter and no one's doing that right now. But I did start to get a little bit nervous as time went on, as things were kind of selling off slowly. So thankfully things have started to pick up. But I will say most of these did not sell quickly. Most of them I did sit on for at least the 3 months, and then they started to sell off. Next up are these Hallie pants. These were the Earthbound color, which is like a dark tan. These were a size 14 short, $25 eBay sale. Size 4 tall on these. These were the coal, the gray ones, $30 eBay sale. I had a men's pair of Zion pants. My husband loves the Zion pants. I was bummed that there was none in his size, but these were all kind of odd-sized items, so I'm not surprised. These were a size 31 by 36, $40 Poshmark sale. Here's another pair of Hallie pants. These sold pretty quickly. These sold within 3 weeks. It was a $44 Poshmark sale, sold by offer. They were a size 6 short. The Cohen pants, these were another that sold very quickly. I think between the two boxes, I had a couple pair of these, and they sold pretty quickly. These were a medium, black, $45 Poshmark sale. These sold in just 5 days. This actually sold the first day I listed it. That was exciting, but I think it was a fluke because I have another one of these in a different size that's still sitting here. This is the Milani dress, and this was a $49 Poshmark sale. I had the Cohen Capri pants, so these were like a cropped length, size small. These were green, or the color was grape leaf. $38.24 plus shipping on eBay. There's another pair of Hallie pants on here at a size 10 short. These were a $39 eBay sale plus shipping. And then I guess the most exciting, if you would say, exciting item that was sold was this Polar Escape bomber jacket, which this is not surprising. This was a heavy fleece bomber jacket, and this sold in January. Whereas the rest of it is more seasonal, spring, summer, maybe fall-ish, warmer weather. This one was a colder weather piece. This one sold for $47.99 plus shipping on eBay. So that's everything that sold. What I have left, I have these Brian shorts in the Crew Rock pattern. So these have little prints on them. I have 2 pair of size 30. Both of them are still here. They have not sold. I've got a bunch of these ankle pants. They're like jogger sweatpants. The color is called Sage Camo. I have a bunch of extra small and extra large. Not a single one has sold. Unfortunately, I have the Bexa tank in an extra small. That is still here. Another Cozy Up Terry dress, extra small. That is still here. The other Milani Henley dress, which the size small sold so quickly, the extra small is still here. I have several of these nautical stripe Milani dresses. I haven't sold a one of them. I have 2 of these Porter Park flannels. I think there's only one from this box and one was from the other 100-piece box. This one's still here. This gray rosy dress, I've got a few of these, none of which have sold. The Mont Baldo legging. These are really nice leggings. Let's be honest. I am surprised that these are still here, but these have not sold as well. I had 3 pair of the O'Day jean, which are skinny jeans. One size 2 short, one size 2 regular, and one size 8 regular. These have not sold either. I had a pair of wide leg jeans, which I thought for sure, because wide leg jeans are more in style right now. But these are still here. A pair of Zion shorts in gravel camo color, size 30. The Bonjura vest. I'm not necessarily surprised that a vest didn't sell. That one I didn't list until the end of January, so that's a seasonal thing. I've got this Cozy Up midi skirt, and that's an extra small. I don't know what the functionality of a skirt is from Prana. It's kind of strange to me, but it's more like loungewear. That's still here. I've got a couple more of the Lena Brahmies. And then another sunrise dress that's still here. So that's everything. That's 50 pieces total. So my final verdict, I spent $400 on this box, 52 pieces. I've made my money back plus $211. So here we are almost 5 months in, and I have not doubled my money, which is so disappointing because I had such high hopes for this box. Now, a couple things. Number one, this stuff was super easy to list. Between the fact that there were multiples of each item, so I could do multi-quantity listings. It was very easy to find descriptions online. A lot of these were current styles or very current season, maybe last season. So the information was available online. It was easy for me to locate all of the descriptions and stuff. So the actual time it took, I think it took me 2 days to list 150 pieces. So this was very quick. It didn't take a lot of time to list. And it's a brand that I like, and it was items that I enjoyed listing. So that made it easier. Would I buy another one? So based on the results of this, I want to say no, because I haven't doubled my money. Like, that's my rule. On online liquidation, I want to double my money. And I really thought for sure that the price per piece was low enough on this that it would be easy to double my money, and I'm not there. However, if we take into account the ease of listing, the fact that I have still made a profit, and the fact that we're into summer now and some of these other pieces would probably sell off, it's really not that bad. If I could get a whole box of the Halle pants, sure. I don't have a single pair of Halle pants left from this box. Those sold just fine. It's some of these other pieces like the dresses and the skirts, things that Prana is not necessarily known for. Those are the pieces I'm left with. So if Boutique by the Box listed another one of these, yeah, I probably would still buy it. I don't know that I would buy 150 pieces, but it definitely would still pique my interest. It wasn't a huge moneymaker like I expected it to be, but I'm still not out. I think it's still a win. Again, being a brand that I love is really helping the case here. So take that for what it's worth. Let me know. I know a lot of you went on and bought this box after my initial unboxing. So let me know in the comments how yours is doing. I'm really, really interested to know. I assume we all got some similar pieces. I know that for me, I think part of my downfall here was I was a little overambitious with the pricing. Because it's a brand that I love, that I thought was going to sell well, I did price things kind of high. And then I had to start coming down on the price because I had stuff priced too high based on how I thought it would do and what was probably not what was realistic. So let me know in the comments what you think. Make sure you're subscribed if you want to see more 90-day updates. They're coming, I swear. I've been working on 90-day updates all week. And drop me a like on the way out if you have found this helpful. That really helps out my channel a lot. And if you're interested in any of the pieces that I have left, check out my Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari. Everything is still listed, and I've dropped the price on a lot of things quite a bit. So definitely check it out. But that is all for today. If you made it to the end, I certainly appreciate you, and I will catch you in the next one.